quake of magnitude 5.7 occurred only 13 minutes ago 93 kilometers northwest of Ciudad de Aksu, China, the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, reported. The quake hit at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers beneath the epicenter near Ciudad de Aksu, Xinjiang, China, early morning on Thursday, December 29, 2022, at 1:16 a.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by France's RéNaSS National de Surveillance Sismique, RéNaSS, which listed it as a magnitude 5.6 earthquake. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 5.7, and the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, at magnitude 5.7.